ELAB Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at PMGC Holdings stock, the price pulled down 6%. Last time I made a video, obviously I was waiting for bearish price action. That's exactly what happened. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting next. I've done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, so you don't have to. And just looking at this from like a technical standpoint of view, obviously I don't think that like technicals are even gonna play a big hand and role here, purely because, bro, like there's so much, like there's catalysts that could occur that can move the price. But just the technicals in my case, like it's bearish, and I've talked about it before. Yeah, like I think this is gonna be the one. Like this is 2 days ago. Yeah, this is like the point when I actually said this, right? And at the time I was sitting at $3. Now we are approximately 192, and like we went almost like much lower than here. Like this prediction has not changed yet, like I'm still looking to take things lower. But yeah, other than that, I'm most definitely going to continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.